Welcome, dear souls, wherever you are, maybe still working through the day, maybe lying down, scrolling without really seeing anything, or just sitting there, a little quiet inside. Hi, I'm Swami Chit again, and I'm here with you. I'm still with you. Just gently midweek. Nothing to fix today. Just sit with me. Let's walk together. Maybe today felt normal. You woke up, did what you had to, replied to people, finished things, kept going. But inside, something didn't feel right. Not a big problem, not something you can clearly point at. Just a quiet discomfort, a feeling that something is wrong or something is not right in this moment or with me. Like you were present, but you not really there. Like you were doing things, but not inside them. And maybe you didn't tell anyone because what would you even say? Nothing is wrong, but I don't feel okay today. So you just keep it yourself. You move through the day, smiling when needed, responding when expected, but somewhere you felt slightly distanced from everything. You don't know actually what you are doing right now, but still you are doing it. And now, as things are slowing down, that feeling is still here. As the evening arrives, that feelings give you a heaviness. And you try to understand it. Is it tiredness? Is it something I missed? Or is it just me? But no clear answers comes. Maybe nothing feels right because something inside you just wants your attention. Your attention, not fixing, not solving, just noticing. You have been available for everything today, your work, your responsibilities, other people. Maybe this feeling is you asking for a moment with yourself. Nothing feels right, not because something is wrong, but because something inside has been quietly waiting. You don't have to figure it out tonight, dear souls. Just don't move away from yourself. And just relax, breathe, be in the moment. There is nothing wrong in you. You are absolutely beautiful. So I'll see you this weekend with another episode of Weightless Weekend, episode 4. Finding peace when you never got an apology. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. This Weightless Weekend series is beautiful inner journey to peace. So until then, take care. God bless you, and I love you all. If you think you have this feeling and heaviness, share it with me. I am always here walking with you. This is not a podcast but a companion to walk with you, share with you, and hold your hand in your journey. Love you all. God bless you.